everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Thanksgiving Halloween DIY challenge. It's hosted by Sonja from Domestic Diva. I will leave as usual the link to her channel in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist with all the videos that are being entered in this challenge. Please watch all the videos and please visit Sonja's channel. She has 3 channels and the 3 of them are amazing. One is for home decor, another one is for organizing, cleaning, etc. and the other one is for DIYs. Okay, I'm going to do something for Halloween. My daughter and I are dumpster divers. I hope you know it already because that means you're following me. If not, you know now. So we find a lot of treasures in the dumpsters, and we found this candle holder at Michael's and I love it. It's already black, which is great. By the way, we have a channel that is Dumpster Chicks, and I will leave the link to that channel also in the description box. Please pay us a visit. You will make us so happy and you will have a lot of fun, believe me. Okay, so I'm taking this, and I also have this candle that we found at the dumpster at Dollar Tree. So I removed this because this was gold and I spray painted it black. So I'm going to place the candle again here. I use this paint, flat black from Rust-Oleum, because it matches perfectly with the original color of the candle holder. So I'm going to glue this here, but first I'm going to do the other decor, because it's going to be easier to do this first. I got these skeletons from Dollar Tree, and as you can see I already glued this one facing the candle holder on the shoulders of the other one that is facing front. So I'm going to glue this guy here. I hope hot glue will be enough. If not, I will use E6000 later. But for now, to speed the process, I'm going to use hot glue. And hopefully it will stay there. I'm going to glue the hands of this other guy here. I want him with his hands here. So it's going to be kind of separated from the candle holder. So he's going to be like this. Okay, I'm going to glue the foot and the other foot. Okay, let's pray that this is going to work, because now, yes, I'm going to glue this other candle holder on top of the large one. Okay, great. And the last thing I'm going to add as a decor are these eyeballs that are from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to add them. Okay, so you can see I miscalculated. I thought I was going to use 6 eyeballs, but they don't fit, so I use 5. I'm going to clean these things later. But anyways, this is the front, and from the front you don't notice that there is a space here. So perfect. Almost. Okay, so this is the final result for the first DIY. I'm going to really make this better, cleaning these areas that don't look so great, but for you to have an idea how it looks, later at the end of the video I will show you how it looks from the front. For this next DIY you're going to need a mason jar, another of these skeletons. To save time, I've already glued it. You have to add a lot of hot glue at the bottom of the body, at the end of the spine of the skeleton, to keep it in place. And I spent a while pressing it for him not to move and stay firmly stuck in there. And then you're going to need one of these pumps. I bought it many years ago at Michael's. I paid for it $4 something. The original color was this one, but I didn't like it, so I pre-painted again with the same paint. You can see that it's rusting. I can't remove more rust because I'm going to start removing the paint, so I'm going to buy another one soon. And then you need, of course, liquid soap, clear one, and we have to add it to the mason jar. That's why it's so important that the skeleton is firmly adhered to the bottom, otherwise it's going to stand up and we don't want that. And then we just replace the lid with the pump. And we have a quick, very quick, spooky piece of decor for the bathroom. You can place it in this position, this way, however you want. Oh, sorry, I'm out of camera. My God, I'm so sorry. This is how it looks. Again, I'm going to show you all the things perfectly from the front later. Let's move on to the last DIY. I used this skull from Dollar Tree. I spray painted with the same paint, and then I distressed all these areas, the eyes, the tooth, the nose, etc., with this creamy eyeshadow. I bought it from China, and just with my finger, it's very quick and easy. And then I cut the top of the skull. Oh, this is the front. You don't have to be very careful or perfect, because we are going to cover the imperfections. To keep the top of the skull in place, like so, I use a piece of cardboard, and it was the top of a box, and I adhere it with hot glue to the border. It's not easy because this is really flimsy, but it doesn't matter. What's important is that there is something that is going to keep the top in place. Because we can use this for treats for the kids, we can give them as a present or place it on the table for the kids to take treats. To cover the imperfections, I'm using this ribbon, and I bought at Dollar Tree these rings. You have butts, bats like this one and skeletons like this one. So I use the bats, I cut the ring, and then I glued the bats to the ribbon. And now I'm going to adhere it to the border of the skull. So now we have the border covered with this. We just had to add the top of the skull. Like so. Here we go. Yes. And here you have it. A skull with a crown of bats and a hollow inside, so you can place treats on it or whatever you want. You can also do the crown of bats without cutting the skull. That's up to you. But I thought it was something funny and something great to give the kids, especially if you are not going trick-or-treating and the kids are meeting at home due to the situation. So this is my last DIY, and I hope you like these ideas, and if so, please give me some thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to Sonja for hosting this challenge, and please visit her channel on the playlist, and our dumpster diving channel also, please. Thank you so much to all of you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.